Flutter development can be done on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and even Chrome OS. You can target Android, web, and desktop on each, but Mac OS is the only platform from which you can target iOS apps. So we'll be using Mac OS in this course. There are a fair number of steps needed to get your system ready for Flutter development. These include installing the Flutter SDK, then both Xcode and Android Studio. Xcode is needed to build your Flutter apps for iOS. Unfortunately, if you don't have access to a Mac, you won't be able to build iOS apps. Like Xcode, Android Studio is a requirement to build Android apps, but Android Studio works on a variety of platforms, whereas Xcode just works on Mac OS. For editing your Flutter code, people typically use either Android Studio or the Visual Studio Code Editor from Microsoft. In this course and throughout the Flutter learning path in general, we'll be using Visual Studio Code to do all of our code development. You're welcome to use Android Studio if you're already familiar with it. You'll just need to adapt some instructions in the course for Android Studio. Flutter also comes with a few tools to assist with Flutter development. One such tool is called Flutter Doctor. Flutter Doctor will analyze your Flutter installation and inform you of any problems with your installation. If you find yourself running into some obscure Flutter issues, a good starting point is to run Flutter Doctor to make sure your installation wasn't corrupted. In the following episodes, I'll walk you through the following Flutter install steps for Windows and Mac OS. Unfortunately, installing on Linux or Chrome OS is a little beyond the scope of this course. Thankfully, the Flutter development site has plenty of documentation walking you through the entire process. It can be a little technical, so if you get stuck, go to the Flutter developer site and click on the Community tab. You'll find a whole host of options to assist you with any installation problems. That said, if you get stuck at any point installing Flutter on Windows or Mac OS, please make sure to ask a question in the forums for this episode, and we'll do what we can to help you out.